Hi student, today I am going to discuss about these two topics, magnetic field and magnetic field lines. So first, what is magnetic field? So all of you seen a magnet. Suppose this is our magnet. Okay, this is a magnet. Now in a magnet or surrounding the magnet, there is a region up to which this magnet can exert its magnetic force on other object. ठीक है, suppose inside this region we placed a small iron nail here. ठीक है, small iron nail. Then what will affect? So this magnet will attract this iron nail towards the magnet. But if we place this iron nail outside this region, then this magnet can attract this iron nail towards itself, because magnet has a specific region up to which only it can exert in its magnetic force on other object, and this specific region is called magnetic field of the magnet. So definition we can say like this: the magnetic field of a magnet can be defined as the region up to which it can exert its magnetic force on another object. Again one thing, if we placed this iron piece or iron nail very near to the magnet, then it will attract quickly, or it will attract with large force. Okay. Now if we place this small iron piece at a larger distance, in this case also the magnet will attract this iron piece, but with some less amount of force. Here attractional force will be less. Attract with less force. The reason is that near the magnet, the value of magnetic field or strength of the magnetic field is more, and as we go further or as we increase the distance, strength of the magnetic field will decrease. That is why the iron piece which is placed near the magnet, it will attract with a larger force, and this iron piece which is placed at a little bit distance from the magnet, then it will attract this piece with a little bit less amount of force. So conclusion is that if we increase the distance, magnetic field or strength of the magnetic field will decrease gradually, and after some distances it will vanishes. That means for this iron piece near this magnet, magnetic strength will be more, and it will continue to decrease up to this point. Okay, and after this point magnetic field is becomes equals to 0. Okay, from the magnet to this point magnetic field will decrease gradually, and after that it becomes 0. Magnetic field is basically represented by capital B. Okay, so this is about magnetic field. Now we will discuss about magnetic field lines. So in a cardboard, we take a bar magnet. So this is called bar magnet. It has two poles, one is north pole and the other one is south pole. Then first what we do, surrounding the magnet we spread some iron fillings like this. Now if we tap this cardboard gently, what we will see? These iron fillings will arrange themselves in a special manner. So how they will arrange themselves? Near the pole, these iron fillings will be more. Near this pole, these iron fillings will be more, and they will arrange themselves like this. In some specific line surrounding the magnet, but in these two portions, now iron fillings will be less, and near the pole these iron fillings will be more. So this is because why near the pole the iron concentration of iron fillings is more, because near the pole of a magnet, magnetic strength is large, magnetic strength is more. That is why more magnetic field means that more magnetic field will attract the iron fillings with more force, and that is why the concentration will be more. And in other region, iron fillings will be there, but not as compared to the pole. And here see, these iron fillings arrange themselves in a special manner, in special line. So these lines are called magnetic field lines. Okay, these are called magnetic field lines. So if we draw it like this, north pole, south pole. So our field lines will be like this, in this manner, or these iron fillings will arrange themselves. Okay. So these lines are called field lines, and its direction is always from north pole to south pole. These field lines emitted from north pole and enters to the south pole. So suppose at this point we need to calculate the direction of the magnetic field. So because this magnet will create the magnetic field surrounding the magnet, now if we need to calculate the direction of the magnetic field at this point, we need to just draw a tangent at this point. Okay, if we draw the tangent at this point, then this direction will give us the direction of magnetic field. Suppose at this point we need to calculate the direction of magnetic field, then just draw a tangent. So this will be the direction of magnetic field at this point. So magnetic field lines From magnetic field lines we can get the direction of magnetic field just by drawing a tangent at that point. So from here we can give the definition of magnetic field lines, that the magnetic field lines are such a line surrounding a magnet. If we draw a tangent at any point on the field lines, then that tangent will give us the direction of magnetic field at that point. So this is our magnetic field lines. So this magnetic field lines has some properties. Our first property is this one. If we draw a tangent at a point, it will give us the direction of magnetic field at that point. This is our first property. Second property is two field lines never intersect with each other. Why? Suppose we consider that two field lines intersect at a point. Suppose at this point two field lines intersect. Then according to the first property, if we draw a tangent in the field lines, number one field lines, then it will give us the direction of magnetic field along this way. And according to the second field lines, if we draw a tangent at this point, it will give us the direction of magnetic field along this way. So here at the same point we are getting two directions of a same magnetic field. Two directions of a single magnetic field at the same point. This is not possible. In two different points, magnetic field can have two different directions, but at a single point a magnetic field cannot has two directions, and that is why two field lines never intersect with each other. So this is our second property. Our next property is, so this is our magnet. So if we draw a field lines, so near the magnet the concentration will be more, and as we go further its concentration decreases. This is because near the magnet magnetic strength is large, and if we increase the distance, strength of the magnetic field also decrease. So property is that the magnetic field are closer together in this portion. Magnetic field are closer together in a region of strong magnetic field. यहाँ पे magnetic field strong होगा, magnetic strength will be more because near the magnet. So in a region of strong magnetic field lines are closer together, and in a region of weak magnetic field lines are moving apart. Okay, this is the third property. And another property is there, magnetic field always start from north pole and enters to the south pole. So this is another property.